Hello everyone. Say hi, girl.
Hi.
Okay, we are going to show you some new words today. Practically, we are going to work out the things. Okay, let's move on to the first word. Okay. Okay. Actually, she wants some coffee, so she is going to drink coffee. Okay. Let me teach you a new word. What is she doing? Are you able to hear a loud noise? Yes? So the name of the word is slurping. Okay, she's slurping coffee now. Okay, let's get into the next word. See, actually, this is bread. Okay, this is bread. Let's see how she is going to eat. See, come on, open your mouth. See the way. See, actually, the thing is, like if a person has a huge amount of food inside, inside her or his mouth, so it is called like gulping something. She's gulping something. I may ask her a question. Why are you hurrying? Are you hurrying to the school? See, you can ask several questions, but the new word gulping. See, you may not be knowing the word, what is the exact word for this particular action. So, she is gulping the bread. Don't gulp, okay? Take some water. The next word is an interesting word. See, actually, imagine that we are near the river, okay? She wants to drink water from the river, okay? So I don't have any things like glass or anything like that, okay? So I don't have any support to fetch water. So I'm going to take water from the river and I'm going to give it to her. Just imagine. Just show your hand. See, this is the way we can just pour water. And what is she doing? In which way? She is having her hands together. So this is a process. Okay, let me explain what is the exact name of this process. She is cupping her hands and scooping up water. She is cupping her hands together and scooping up water. So this is the exact meaning. So cupping means அதை வந்து நம்ம கை கூப்பி கொண்டு வருது. So scooping means உறிஞ்சி குடிக்கிறது. So that is the exact meaning. Okay, what is this?
This is a matchbox.
Okay, see, actually I'm going to teach you a very beautiful process. What am I, oh my god, sorry. What am I doing?
Striking?
Yes, I am striking. See, actually, if you want to get flame, you must strike first. Okay. So, after doing this process, usually we have this flame very carefully around our hand. Okay. What is the name of the name of this process? My God, it's really difficult to hold. See here, what is this process? Say, listen here. What is this process? See, I am cupping my hand around the flame. Got it? I am cupping my hand around the flame. Only one hand, right? Got it? So here, flame. Okay. Oh my God, you could not find flame here. Okay, fine. Just I am doing the action. Learn this sentence. We are going to learn another new word. Okay, another new word. Are you excited to learn new words? Hello. Okay, do you like playing with water tap? Like pouring water to the plants and playing?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
Okay, actually just imagine this is the tap. Okay, people, especially children, they love to play with tap because they love to stop the water and they open their finger, again closing, again opening. So this is the way they play with the tap. So what is the process? And when water comes from the tap, very forcefully, correct, forcefully. You love seeing water coming out very forcefully, and you love playing with your friends also, correct or wrong? So what is the exact name of that particular process? Squatting.
Squatting.
Tell me again. Squatting. Okay. So actually, imagine I am doing this process. The water is squatting from a hole in the pipe. Got it? Have you enjoyed this class?
Yes.
Very good. Bye. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.